What's up guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Aeriel and I'm the lead photographer at Aeriel Photography. Today I'll be unboxing my new toy. And I want you to stay tuned and watch me as I unbox my latest toy in my arsenal today. And I bet I have a giveaway for 3 particular people that will watch this. This giveaway, I'll be considering people from my YouTube channel. So just stay tuned. I'm going to put you guys through how you're going to be a lucky winner of my giveaway. So before we continue, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications so that you don't get to miss any of my upcoming video tutorials. So let's dive in straight up and unbox my new toy. All right, before we unbox this package, this new toy of mine, I want to give a shout out to Goodmark cameras who really came through. Sincerely, I think right now Goodmark is the best outlet out there that you can get amazing deals on cameras, anything you want, be it lights, lenses, reflectors, video lights, anything you think of photography equipment. I think he's really giving out the best deals in Nigeria, because buying this toy here is really, he really saved a ton of amount of money for me. And comparing with other outlets that I tried making inquiries of the camera from different guys, I can't compare what Goodmark really offered. So you can check out Goodmark on Instagram using the link below, and then you can hit him up, get anything you want. I got this package straight from Lagos. He's based in Lagos. I got it from Lagos, and he delivers anywhere in Nigeria. So you could also be part of a Goodmark team where you get amazing discounts as well. So let's go straight into unboxing this. I'll be using this scissors. Voila! Wow, this this looks beautiful already. By the way, this is going to be my first mirrorless camera that I'll be using. I've been a Nikon shooter since 2014. And this is the first time that I'll be using a Sony mirrorless camera. I tried posting a video where I requested that, okay, someone should guess what camera is in the box, and lo and behold, a lot of people were guessing Nikon. They thought I would go for another Nikon camera, but no. I really heard a lot of good recommendations and reviews about the Sony A7Iii. Yeah, so I thought I should try it out, because I'm really becoming a hybrid shooter. Hybrid shooter, I mean a photographer and a videographer. So someone that is doing both photography and videography can be referred to as a hybrid shooter. Yeah, and I was looking out for something that really has a great autofocus, and from recommendations, everybody recommended the Sony A7Iii. So I can't wait to really unleash this and see what it really has to offer for me, because I'll be doing more of car videography, and of course, you know, that's action. Yeah, so I want my focus point to be picking everything I want in focus as quickly as possible, because guys should be drifting and chasing cars. So that's what I'll be doing. So just stay tuned for that part of my video productions as well. So I also look forward to doing such things, because I know it will be fun. So let's continue with the unboxing. And then with my little scissors here, she gets a better cutter. do we have here? Okay, here is my receipt from Goodmark. Yeah. Some money. I bet you don't want to know that. Okay, we're talking about close to $2,000 for viewers that are not from Nigeria. So if you're from Nigeria, you can do the conversion. But I bet reach out to Goodmark and you get the best deals for any camera you want of your choice in Nigeria. I've been shopping with Goodmark for the past 5 years. Yeah, 5 years. I started shopping with Goodmark since 2015. I did not meet him for close to 2 years, and I had bought a lot of camera gears amounting to $1,000 from this guy without even seeing him. So feel free to reach out to him. He's reliable. He can deliver to you any part of Nigeria. By the way, this is not a sponsored video. I'm just showing appreciation and what a great guy is doing out there. You know, considering the fact that photography is a very expensive hobby and someone is willingly offering great discounts like that. Yeah. So here we have the box. I wish I used a better cutter to open this box because this crap scissors of mine has really ruined my pack. Yeah, so let me drop the scissors aside. Yeah, so what features do we have on this camera? I see Bluetooth already. I see HDMI, I see 4K HDR video. I see what else? I see eye autofocus. 5-axis steady shot inside. Okay, I'm also much more interested in the ISO. This is one thing that also got me attracted to the camera. ISO natural range of 100 to 51,200. That's really great. And 693 autofocus points. Those are the two things that really got me interested in this camera. Yeah, and then for the fact that I get to use this this great camera with my stabilizer, with my gimbal stabilizer. I got a Zoom Crane 3 Lab, and I realized that my Nikon wasn't really compatible with the Crane 3 Lab, and of course the focus for Nikon is not that great. Yeah, so I thought I should go for this. And then one of the disadvantage of me starting with a Sony now is the fact that I'll start a new lineup of lenses. So you also put this into consideration when you want to get a new camera, lenses or your mirror. So here we have lenses and accessories. What do we have here? I don't know this. Put this aside. Sony. Okay, this is Arabic. I don't know how to read Arabic. I remember I was taught Arabic once in secondary school. I hope we have some great LIE students here. Chinese. Okay, this is English. All right. So I think we should read this together. I'm done. Okay, here we have our strap. I think this looks beautiful. Sony A7. Still on side. And wow, this is kind of heavy as compared to some mirrorless cameras out there that I've tried using. It's quite heavier. Wow. This weighs almost like my D750 body, my Nikon body. Okay, but it feels kind of great. Yeah. So at this point, my first giveaway is for, my first giveaway will be for anybody interested in doing a photo shoot. Yeah, so I'll test this camera with you and then see what it has to offer in terms of pictures. Yeah, so be it a lady or a guy, all you have to do is drop a comment under the comment section. The comment with the highest likes or hearts gets a photo shoot or gets a photo shoot with me. Yeah, so that's the first giveaway I have. So let's continue unboxing. Let's see what we have inside. Oh, I like the smell of new things. Okay, AC cord. Oh, wow, it has 2 AC cords. Why give so much excess? Oh no, 3 AC cords. Wow. That's like a waste. Why don't you just drop memory cards instead of 3 AC? Okay, I think this for different countries, probably. As I know that America has theirs, England has theirs, and probably Chinese, the Chinese, the Pyongyangs, and the Xi Jinping's people. Okay. Aha, all right, so this is what I'm looking out for. Yeah, so I'm safe. So I think I'm ready to use this with my gimbal. This really feels great. This is the first time I'm holding the A7Iii, and it's really great. So I can't wait to really test this out for some actions. Then my next giveaway, this may be surprising, but I think I will do a free wedding shoot for a couple out there. Yeah, I would like to see and experience how this camera will work, what it really has to offer. Yeah, so the lucky couple that will win. Yeah, I can't wait to come for your wedding and offer you a free wedding shoot, video shoot. So if you're watching this, you can go ahead, tag your sister, tag your friend, tag anybody. The comment with the highest like under the weddings or somebody commenting about weddings gets my freebie. Yeah, and it should be within Abuja. Yeah, but of course if it's outside Abuja, then we'll still talk about that here. So that's it. I think I can put this aside. Yep. Yeah. I spoke about 3. I spoke about 3 giveaways. Yeah. The third giveaway I would like to do what now? I think I should try my hands on the music video. Yeah. So who is that great music director, or who is that great artist out there? Yeah, I think we should play around and see what I can do for you with producing a music video for you. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your post notifications so that you don't get to miss my upcoming classes. I teach photography, and as an amateur videographer, I'm looking forward to teaching the videography much later. But for photography, if you have any questions in photography or anything you want to know, you can comment under the comment section and let me know what video you want me to do about. I can consider it. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Aeriel Photography. You can follow me on Facebook, Aeriel Photography, and Twitter, Aeriel Photography, using the links below. Yeah, so thank you for watching. I hope to catch you next time.